That one right back there. Oh gosh. Oh, it's time.
It always is.
There you go, there you go.
Triple ball. Unless you let them all get away.
This is okay. What the hell, dude? We cleared it. We're good. Oh no. Okay, we still got more to go. Alright. It's down low. It's down low. Stop taking off like a joke on it. I'm like, Alright, get ready. Why? Because you're hitting the ball first. That's right.
Maybe he's hitting the ball first. Wow, fail. Fail.
Yeah, but you missed the strike. I think it's my foot.
Hush. Wow, fail. You only have 15 seconds. Better hurry.
I hate this thing. Where'd you go? I don't know.
Step forward.
Oh, you're back. You're a chick now, but you're back. Yay! Oh, you're back to the block again. What are you doing? This is funny.
Yes, it is. And it'll be even funnier published to the internet.